Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is the last section of the overview dashboard that we're making. So let's get right into it. This time, instead of creating a new sheet, we're going to create a new dashboard. So let's go ahead and click New Dashboard. And let's rename it Overview. Okay. Let's go ahead and start by taking a vertical object and dragging it in. And we're going to take our sales map and drop it here at the top. Okay, let's go ahead and take another vertical object and drag it all the way here at the bottom like so. And let's take sales by category and take it on the left here. So make sure it's shaded on the bottom left quadrant. And we'll do the same with sales by segments. Great. Actually, I'm noticing something here. We have the order date. So let's go ahead and make those. So I'm going to delete both of those that we just made into the dashboard. So we want to be able to make this order date filter here. So let's go to order date and add that into the filters card here for sales by category. Okay, we want it to be a range of dates. That's good. And click next. And make sure it's on range of dates here and click OK. And just like that, we're creating our another filter here. Click on that dropdown and click Show Filter. So we've got our order dates. We could do the same with actually, that's good. Let's go back to our overview and add those two categories back. So I think we already have our vertical object still in there. So let's go back to sales by category. Nope, it deleted our vertical box. So find our vertical object, drag it onto, so it takes up half the screen like so. Do sales by category here on the left, so it takes up the quadrants. Okay, order date is now in there, and we'll do the same with sales by segments. Make it take up the other section of the screen. Let's get rid of order profitable here. So click it and click the X box there. Let's make it look a little bit better and take up the entire screen. So let's go over to size and click, instead of fixed size, we'll click automatic. That takes up the entire screen. They have the sales over there at the top. So let's take our sales and drag it to the top of the screen here, like so. Not quite like that. Gotta be very deliberate. Click take sales and drag it to the very tippy top, like so. Okay, so we've got our sales here, and we've got some filters here on the right. We want it so that the region card will interact with all the worksheets. So let's click on this drop down here on the left and click apply to all worksheets. Let's go with using this data source and do the same with order date. Click the drop down on order date, apply to worksheets using this data source. Let's take profit ratio, click and drag this tool from the top, click, drag it under order dates. And then now when we interact with our region, central, it should interact with each of those worksheets that we're looking at. Nice. Okay, pretty clean. Go to all. And then we want it so that when we click on a state like that, it'll interact with each of the with each of the worksheets here. So let's make an action. So we make an action by going to, I think it's dashboard. Control-Shift-D works too. Actions. We're going to make it on this workbook. We're going to add an action. It's going to be a filter. Let's call this filter state. And we want the source sheet to be the sales map. So let's uncheck everything except for sales map. And we want it when we select on the sales map. And then we want it so that it interacts with all of the other worksheets. And clearing the selection will show all of the values. And that's it. Click OK. Click OK again. Just like that, when we click on Texas, it now interacts with all of the worksheets, and we get to see just Texas. Utah, Wyoming, probably not a lot of data. And that's it. And then when we click that state again, we'll be able to see all the data again. All right. That's it for the overview dashboard. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you want to, you can right click and click hide all sheets. And just like that, it'll hide everything. Okay. Good luck, and thanks again. See you guys in the next one.